वेलकम टू माय चैनल फ्रेंड्स। स्वागत है दोस्तों। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। लेटेस्ट करंट अफेयर होने वाले हैं, फास्ट रिवीजन कर लेंगे। तो बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चंस की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच कंट्री हैज़ बिगन द बिगेस्ट न्यूक्लियर पावर प्रोजेक्ट? ऑप्शन चाइना, रशिया, यूएसए, बोथ ए एंड बी। एंड द आंसर इज चाइना एंड रशिया। सॉरी, चाइना। हाँ, चाइना एंड रशिया। इट्स एक्सप्लेनेशन: द रशियन प्रेसिडेंट वीएल Vladimir Putin and the Chinese President Xi Jinping attended the ceremony that began the construction of the project. Question number 2. The largest international submarine cable system centered in India is being set up by which company? Amazon, Reliance Jio, BSNL, Airtel. Answer is B, Reliance Jio. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरी इंग्लिश अच्छे से नहीं समझ में आ रही है तो आप खुद पढ़ सकते हो फ्रेंड्स। ठीक है, नाउ स्टार्ट इट्स एक्सप्लेनेशन: द टेलीकॉम ऑपरेटर रिलायंस जियो इज constructing the largest international submarine cable system centered on India. Question number 3, the central government has asked which social media platform to withdraw its privacy policy update? Option WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. Answer is A, WhatsApp. Its explanation: the Union Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology have sent a notice to WhatsApp asking it withdraw its update privacy policy. Question number 4. The Union Culture Ministry has announced how many culture heritage sites had been have been to the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Option 5, 6, 10, 2. And the answer is B, 6. Its explanation: the Union Culture Ministry Prahlad Singh Patel has announced around 6 cultural heritage sites have been added to the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Question number 5. The SBIRG the SBIRS GEO-5 is a missile warning satellite launched in a Atlas V rocket into space. The satellite belongs to which country? Option France, China, Japan, United States. Answer is D, United States. Its explanation: the American spacecraft launch service provider has launched its Atlas V rocket into space, carrying a missile warning satellite SBIRS GEO-5 for the US Space Force. Question number 6. Which nation has passed a bill to counter a rise in the anti-Asian hate crimes amid the COVID-19 pandemic? Option Australia, Canada, UK, USA. Answer is D, USA. Its explanation: the United States House has passed the bill to counter a rise in the anti-Asian hate crimes amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Question number 7. Name the Indian American who has been appointed as the senior advisor to President at the White House in US administration. Option Vinay Reddy, Neera Tanden, Vinay Murthy, Vanita Gupta. Answer is B, Neera Tanden. Its explanation: the US administration has appointed Indian American Neera Tande as a senior advisor to President Joe Biden at the White House. Question number 8. Who is going to coach Team India during its Sri Lanka tour in July 2021? Option Vindra Sehwag, Vivendra Sehwag, VVS Lakshman, Rahul Dravid, Sachin Tendulkar. Answer is B, VVS Lakshman. Its explanation: the former India skipper Rahul Dravid will coach Team India during its limited over series against Sri Lanka in July 2021. Question number 9. With which organization the Ministry of Tribal Affairs has inked MOU for the digital transformation of tribal schools? Option Microsoft, Bills and Melinda Gates Foundation, Facebook, Google. Answer is B, A, Microsoft. Its explanation: the Ministry of Tribal Affairs has linked a MOU with Microsoft for the digital transformation of tribal schools. Question number 10. The Karnataka government has announced how much funds as a relief package for the stressed by COVID lockdown? Option rupees 900 crore, rupees 1250 crore, rupees 1100 crore, rupees 1050 crore. Answer is B, rupees 12 1250 crore. Its explanation: the Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has announced a relief package worth rupees 1250 crore for thus district distressed by the COVID-infused lockdown. Question number 11. The World Bee Day is observed on which day of year? 18 May, 19 May, 20 May, 17 May. Answer is C, 20 May. Its explanation: the World Bee Day is celebrated every year on May 20 to acknowledge the role of bees and other pollinators for the ecosystem. Question number 12. Which state former Chief Minister Jagannath Pahadia succumbed to COVID-19? Option Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana. Answer is C, Rajasthan. Its explanation: the former Rajasthan Chief Minister Jagannath Pandya passed away. He was the first Dalit to become the CM of Rajasthan in 1980 to 1981. Question number 13. Which bank has launched the digital platform Merchant Stack to provide banking service to retail merchants? Option SBI, ICICI Bank, TBS Bank, BOI. Answer is B, ICICI Bank. Its explanation is: the ICICI Bank has launched the digital platform Merchant Stack to provide banking service to retail merchants. Question number 14. What is theme of World Bee Day 2021? No bee, no honey. Be engaged, build back better for bees. Just be yourself, save the bees. Answer is B. Be engaged, build back better for bees. Its explanation: the theme of World Bee Day 2021 is Be engaged, build back better for bees. Question number 15. As per the new advisor how much distance can aerosols carry the COVID-19 virus travel in the air? Option 10 meters, 15 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters. Answer is B, 10 meters. Its explanation: the center's new advisor state that aerosol, one of key transmission mode on the SARS-CoV-2, can travel in the air up to 10 meters. Question number 19. Which country has developed the supercomputer named Simorgh? Option Japan, Iran, China, India. Answer is B, Iran. Its explanation is: the Iran has launched a new supercomputer named Simorgh. Question number 17. Which state government has declared mucormycosis disease as an epidemic in the state? Option Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand. Answer is C, Rajasthan. Its explanation: the Rajasthan government has declared mucormycosis disease an endemic in the state. Question number 19. The Punjab CM announced a special development grant of how much amount to every village achieving 100% vaccination? Option rupees 20 lakh, rupees 11 lakh, rupees 10 lakh, rupees 15 lakh. Answer is C, rupees 10 lakh. Its explanation is: the Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amardeep Singh announced a special development grant of rupees 10 lakh to every village that achieves 100% vaccination target under the state government Corona Mukti Abhiyan. Question number 19. According to a new study, Antarctica will reach a climate tipping point by which year? Option 21,000, 20,050, 20,060, 2070. Answer is C, 2050. Its explanation: a new study published in the journal Nature showed that the Antarctica ice sheet could reach a tipping point by about 2060. And the last question is question number 20. Which tech giant has partnered with SpaceX to offer high-speed satellite internet to customers worldwide? Option Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, Google. Answer is D, Google. Its explanation: Elon Musk's own SpaceX has partnered with Google Cloud to offer a high-speed satellite internet to customers worldwide. finish. Thanks friend for watching video. Study hard to and achieve your goal. All exam crack preparation in this channel. Please subscribe it. Defense question are regular come in this channel with related to current affairs. Thanks for watching video. Bye friends.